And there's some biggest fish. Beautiful day fishing at the lake. Oh, what is it, huh? It's bending your... Is it big? What is it? Oh my God! Reel it in more! Wow! Holy cow! That's huge! Oh my God! Ooh! Holy moly! That's a freaking fat one, guys. Look at that! Look at my hand! Wow! Whoa! So big! Oh, such a beautiful day fishing at the lake right now, guys. Look at how huge is this! Wow! Oy. Look how huge is this! Holy moly! How many pounds do you think is that? Wow! Beautiful day at the lake, guys. 2 pounds maybe? Oh my God! Look at the monster. 3.65, huh?
So like 3 pounds.
3.5 pounds. Oh wow! Goodbye, friend. Wow! Goodbye. Thank you. Oh, that's a big fish, guys. Good day fishing.